So good day guys, welcome back to this channel. Let's take a look at WTI. So yesterday we did analysis, right? I told you guys that we should be expecting an impulse, I see like a bullish move. But before we actually get to that bullish move, we talked about price like having like a possibility of price dropping to a level of 78, right? We talked about there's every possibility that price will drop to a level of 78 before we actually get to that bullish move, right? But today, which is 28, price actually dropped to a level of 77, which is not the move that I was really watching out for. So anyhow, price has given me that pullback. What I will be watching out for is this impulse move. So I will be watching out for a level of 80. Currently, this price is trading at 78. Have it in mind that market is yet to close. So maybe by the time market close, we should have maybe be trading at 79. Who knows? Or it will still be trading at 78. Anyhow. So anyhow, we would want to go up again and for the next day, which I strongly believe that this WTI crude oil will give me a bullish move to get to a level of 80, 81. So for the next day, I'll be watching out for a level of 80, 81. So the reason why we're going to see that movement is first of all, we can see the trend. Price is above our 10 period moving average. You all know that once your price is above your 10 period moving average, it is a bullish move. That is one. You all know that if price is giving you an uptrend move and it eventually give us a pullback and taps our moving average, we should expect a further bullish move. So see this like an impulse move, right? Sit here. There comes a pullback on WTI, and this is a bullish move. Now, after that bullish move, we had a pullback that came to tap our 10 period moving average. After it has tapped, what do you expect? We expect a further import bullish move. So for the next day, we expect a bullish move on WTI. Secondly, we all know the movement of an uptrend move. We all know that if price give us like an impulse move like this, then there's a pullback or a correction. Then price eventually breaks above this previous highs. A new highs is being made. Then once price give us a pullback, we expect it to actually rise to that previous highs level, right? Before it continue its bullish move, right? This is exactly what to be watching out for on WTI. So this is an impulse move here, and we will take a look at this to be a correction. Then here comes a new impulse move, and here is a correction. Notice that the correction was our previous highs, right? Now, after that, what you expect a further bullish move. So this WTI crude oil, we expect a further bullish move for the next day. So now let's go to the 4 hour time frame, right? So you can see the 4 hour time frame prices now. You can see this rejection, huge candlestick weak rejection here, and price is now spiking up. We saw that price has once reacted here. Price has once tapped this level, went up. Now price has dropped to the same level, it has tapped it. So one of the another reason why we are expecting price is pushing up. So what I will be watching out for on the next day on WTI is around a level of 80. If WTI can get to a level of 80 and it breaks above it, then I will watch out for a level of 81. So I'm watching out for a level of 80 and 81. So if eventually it gets to 80, then my next target should be a level of 81 for the next day. So that is what I'm watching out for on WTI.